Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a healthy, protein-rich aloo tikki burger recipe made with sweet potatoes and green chickpeas. This burger is crispy on the outside, soft inside and perfect for lunch or dinner. No deep frying, very simple ingredients and super delicious. Let's get started. Making the tikki mixture first. Start by adding 2 medium boiled sweet potatoes to a large mixing bowl. Make sure they are fully cooked, nicely mashed. Now add 1 cup of boiled green chickpeas. Mash until soft but not too smooth. This texture gives the patties a great bite. Now add half a chopped onion, 1 chopped green chilli. Now for the spices, add 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of a paprika or red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of a chipotle pepper powder or Kashmiri red chili powder, salt and pepper as per your taste. Now for the binding and texture, half cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of a chickpea flours. You can adjust and add more flours and rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of oil and the juice of a half lemon. Mix everything really well until it forms a soft dough. Now refrigerate this patty mixture for at least 30 minutes. These steps is important for firm crispy patties. Don't forget to mix everything really well first. After resting, remove the mixture from the fridge and add 1 teaspoon of a garam masala powder. Mix again. Now shape the mixture into round burger patties. Heat a pan on a medium heat with a little oil. Roll each patty into crushed oats for an extra crispy coating. Place the patties carefully into the pan and cook for about at least 5 minutes on each side. Make sure until they are golden brown and crispy outside and soft inside. Once both sides are cooked, now place a slice of any cheese on top. I am using pepper jack cheese. Cover the pan and let the cheese melt beautifully. Now let's quickly prepare a simple yogurt mustard sauce. It's very delicious, trust me. You should try this sauce. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of a yogurt, 1 tablespoon of a mustard sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything well until smooth and creamy. This sauce adds a tangy, fresh flavor and pairs perfectly with a burger. Now assemble the burger. Lightly toast your burger buns if you like. Spread the yogurt mustard sauce on the base we just made. Now place the cheesy aloo tikki patties on top and add a hummus spread. If you would like, you can skip the hummus part completely. That's completely optional. Now layer your favorite vegetables. I'm putting fresh tomato slice. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Now put onion, avocado, lettuce. You can also add any vegetables, anything you prefer, totally optional. Now cover with the top bun and gently press. And our healthy sweet potato aloo tikki burger is ready, crispy, wholesome and so satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you soon with another healthy recipes just like this. Bye. See you until next time.